Today we'll be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 198 different strategies, with 64 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 87 other strategies that we have put up against every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 999 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. And so the source video says this ultimate TradingView indicator gives highly accurate buy-sell signals. And in the source video, the creator spoke very fondly of this indicator, said that it was absolutely amazing and would change your future. Just raved about it on and on for quite a few minutes at the beginning of the video. So we'll see what this strategy is able to achieve. Let's go ahead and just turn off these two indicators here. First indicator we'll add to the screen is going to be the twin range filter indicator, this one right here. You'll add that to the screen, and basically what it will give you is these short and long tags like this here. We'll go ahead and jump into the settings, and under the settings, in the fast period, you're going to want to change that to 32. The fast range, you're going to change that to 4. The slow period, you're going to change that to 23. And the slow range, you're going to change that to 6. And click OK. Everything else on that, you'll just leave on the default settings. The next indicator you'll add to the screen is going to be the Fibonacci Bollinger Volume Weighted Deviation. Quite a mouthful. It'll be this one right here. You'll add that to the screen, and it will look similar to this here. Again, we'll jump into the settings real quick. Under the inputs, you'll go ahead and change that to 333, the length, in the input, you'll change that to 333, and the source, you're going to change that to close. Click OK, and it should look as it looks on my screen now. So what we're looking for a buy signal, for example, is we are going to look for the long tag like this right here. When we get the long tag from the twin range filter, we're then going to look down to the Fibonacci volume. And what we're looking for is for it to be above the 0 line, and we're looking for it to be the darker green color like you see right here at the top. And so when those two line up like so, that's going to be your signal to enter into a long. So you'll set your position there. You'll put your stop right below this last swing here, and then we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see what we get. Alright, so you see that it takes a little bit, but we eventually step our way up there, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, what we're looking for, again, is going to be the short tag like you see here. And when we get that short tag, we are then going to look down to the fib volume indicator here, and we want it to be below that 0 line, and we want it to have the brighter red coloration filled in there. And once you get those two lined up, you'll be entering a short here. You'll put your stop just right above the last swing, and you'll target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see what we get. Alright, so you see that we get a little bit of a faster move out of it. Get that back in place there. Comes up, gets close to our stop, then rolls over and makes that push to the downside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 20 winning trades and 30 losing trades, putting it at a 40% win rate. So with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, total gain would have been $7,200 altogether. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $7,200 for a total gain of $0 altogether, not including any commissions or spreads. So most likely you would have been down at least a couple $100, maybe $1,000 or so, depending on commissions and so on. And so compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 156 trades. We had 133 winning trades and 23 losing trades, putting it at an 85% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $79,800. On the losing side, you would have lost $20,700 for a total gain of $59,100 altogether. So obviously significantly better profit from the Academy of Forex indicator. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator, and you do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient indicator. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals here. So this is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we keep track of the trades that we gotten from the Academy of Forex indicator. And you can see that this week we did 10 trades altogether, 8 winning trades, 2 losing trades, and 80% win rate. Would have been a gain of 3,240 on the crypto coin. We had 3 trades, 3 winning trades, a 100% win rate would have been a gain of $1,800. For the week, we would have been up 5,040. For a 13-week total, we would have been up $23,020. You can see here some more stats and statistics on the Academy of Forex indicator and the equity growth here. And so all in all, a really solid, efficient, again, profitable trading indicator. So that's it for this strategy here. This strategy fell victim to the same thing that I see so many times before, and it's that they confuse efficiency for being complicated. And so they think that the more indicators you throw at it and the less frequent you get signals, that it's going to make the strategy more efficient, and just doesn't work that way. All it does is drag out how many trades you can take in a certain period of time, which is why we ended up with 156 trades from the Academy of Forex indicator and only 50 trades during the same period of time from this strategy. So again, it's going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.